Today we will see how you can create the team member. Click on the setting icon, select the team member, new team member, give the name, their email address, and password. Then you need to enter the number, and there are other option which is manage the customer level permission. Here are two: allowed or not allowed. If you allow this permission, then this team member is able to rewrite the admin permission which is given to the any folder. Once you allow, so simply not allow for now and create. This email is already exist, that's why this user is not created. Thank you.